In the heavy machinery world, few names carry as much weight and recognition as Caterpillar and Komatsu. Both companies have shaped the construction industry with their innovative excavators, each vying for the title of the most reliable and powerful machine on the market. In this article, we delve deep into the Caterpillar 336 and Komatsu PC360, two of their most popular models, and compare them across various factors like history, performance, technology, and operator comfort. The goal? To determine which excavator truly reigns supreme in the world of construction. A legacy of power and innovation. Caterpillar, the powerhouse of heavy machinery. Caterpillar's journey began in 1925, when two companies, Holt Manufacturing and CL Best Tractor Company, merged to create a machine brand that would forever change the landscape of construction equipment. Over the decades, Caterpillar built its reputation on power and reliability, with its excavators becoming the gold standard on construction sites across the world. The company's innovation started with its revolutionary track-type tractor design, which allowed its machines to cross rugged terrains with ease. This groundbreaking technology paved the way for Caterpillar's dominance in the excavation world. Today, Caterpillar is known for producing heavy-duty machines that are tough, durable, and capable of tackling the most demanding projects. Komatsu. Innovation meets efficiency. Komatsu, on the other hand, took root in Japan in 1921, starting as a manufacturer of agricultural machinery. It wasn't until the post-World War II era that Komatsu pivoted toward construction equipment, including excavators. The company's focus on innovation has allowed it to rise as a competitor to Caterpillar, especially in markets where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are key. Komatsu's focus on technology, fuel efficiency, and ergonomic design has earned it a strong presence in the excavator market. In the 1970s, Komatsu expanded globally, entering markets in the United States, Brazil, Mexico, and China. Today, it stands as one of the largest producers of construction equipment, and its PC series excavators are considered some of the best in the industry. Caterpillar 336 versus Komatsu PC360. Now that we've explored their histories, it's time to examine the Caterpillar 336 and Komatsu PC360 more closely. These two excavators represent the best that their respective companies have to offer, each catering to different operational needs and preferences. To determine which machine stands out, let's compare them in terms of power, weight, digging depth, reach, and fuel efficiency. Power and weight. Who packs more punch? The Caterpillar 336 is a heavy-duty machine, weighing in at around 36 tons, roughly 36,000 kilograms. With 311 horsepower, this excavator is designed to take on large, demanding tasks. Its robust engine gives it the power to move large volumes of earth, tackle tough terrain, and push through dense materials. When it comes to raw power, the Cat 336 doesn't shy away from heavy lifting. It's an ideal choice for projects that require significant excavating force, whether you're digging deep trenches or moving large amounts of earth. On the other hand, the Komatsu PC360 is slightly lighter, at 35 tons, or about 35,000 kilograms. It boasts a slightly lower engine power with 290 horsepower. While this is less than the Caterpillar 336, the difference of 20 horsepower may not seem substantial. However, in the world of excavators, every bit of power matters. The Cat 336's higher horsepower gives it an edge in pushing and digging force, especially in rougher conditions. But the PC360 is engineered for balance and fuel efficiency, making it a versatile machine for a broader range of projects. Digging depth and reach. When it comes to digging depth and reach, both machines excel in their respective roles. The Caterpillar 336 can dig down to a depth of 24 feet, around 7.3 meters, making it a strong contender for jobs that require deep excavation. Whether you're building foundations for skyscrapers or laying pipes for a large infrastructure project, the 336's deep digging capabilities are hard to match. Its wide reach also makes it ideal for large-scale construction projects where versatility is essential. The Komatsu PC360, though slightly shallower at 23 feet, around 7 meters, makes up for this with a longer reach. This extended reach allows the PC360 to cover a broader work area without having to reposition the machine frequently. If you're working on tasks that demand a larger operating range, like clearing land or moving material over a wide area, the PC360 is an excellent choice for its flexibility and efficiency. Technology. Who's smarter? Caterpillar has always been known for its powerful engines and rugged performance, but in recent years they've incorporated smart technology into their excavators to further enhance their capabilities. The CAT 336 comes with the CAT grade with assist system, which automates certain aspects of excavation. This intelligent system allows operators to dig with precision, making it easier to reach target depths and slopes without constant manual adjustments. For both experienced operators and newcomers, this technology helps improve accuracy and efficiency. Komatsu, not to be outdone, has also integrated its own set of advanced technologies into the PC360. The machine comes equipped with intelligent machine control, which provides real-time feedback to the operator. This feature helps to avoid overdigging and ensures every action counts. The PC360 also incorporates hydrostatic transmission, which gives operators smoother control over the machine's speed and traction, particularly on uneven surfaces or slopes. The addition of this hydrostatic system also allows for improved fuel efficiency and reduces wear and tear on the machine. Fuel efficiency. When it comes to fuel efficiency, Komatsu has the edge. The PC360 is designed to consume less fuel without sacrificing performance. Its advanced technology allows for fuel-efficient operation, which makes a significant difference in long-term projects where operational costs need to be kept in check. For companies looking to reduce their fuel expenditures, the PC360's economy can be a big selling point. In contrast, the CAT 336, while more powerful, tends to consume more fuel due to its higher horsepower engine. This is something to consider when budgeting for long-term projects, especially in markets where fuel costs are a major factor. Despite this, the Caterpillar 336 makes up for its higher fuel consumption with its sheer power, making it the better choice for jobs that demand heavy lifting and raw performance. Operator comfort and control. A smooth ride? Both companies have designed their machines with operator comfort in mind, but they take slightly different approaches. The Komatsu PC360 features a centrally positioned cab, providing a clearer view of the work area. With the cooling system placed at the back of the machine, the cab has unobstructed visibility of the blade and the surrounding terrain, making it ideal for precision tasks like grading and trenching. The PC360 also boasts a quiet cab and ergonomically designed seats, ensuring that operators can work comfortably for long shifts. With its intuitive controls and user-friendly layout, the PC360 stands out as a great choice for those who prioritize operator experience. In comparison, the Caterpillar 336 has a more traditional cab layout, with the engine and cooling system located at the front. While this setup provides ample space and a familiar feel for longtime Caterpillar operators, it does limit visibility, particularly when performing tasks that require fine control over the blade. However, Caterpillar fans often find the layout to be intuitive, and many operators prefer the tiller steering and rocker switch setup, which offers precise control, especially on rough terrain. Maintenance, the cost of ownership. When it comes to maintenance, Komatsu's PC360 offers a slight advantage due to its rear-mounted cooling system. This design reduces the accumulation of dust and debris, meaning the machine requires less frequent cleaning. For operators working in harsh conditions, this translates to lower maintenance costs and more uptime. The CAT 336, with its front-mounted cooling system, tends to collect more dirt, which may lead to higher maintenance needs. Which excavator takes the crown? So, which excavator is the ultimate champion? Both the Caterpillar 336 and the Komatsu PC360 are exceptional machines designed to handle different types of jobs. If you need a powerful excavator for heavy-duty tasks, the CAT 336 offers unmatched performance with its 311 horsepower and superior digging depth. However, if you're looking for a machine with fuel efficiency, advanced technology, and superior operator comfort, the Komatsu PC360 might be the better fit. Ultimately, the choice between these two machines depends on the nature of your projects. Power versus efficiency, traditional reliability versus innovative comfort. Both machines will get the job done, but each brings its own strengths to the table. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ultimate excavator showdown, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the world's most powerful machines. Let us know in the comments which excavator you think comes out on top, Caterpillar 336 or Komatsu PC360. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.